Here's how to deploy your web app on Emergent AI. Let's get to it. So once you have made an app from here on home, you can go down in recent task and go inside that app, which will look like this. And on the left hand side, you need to scroll down completely and you're going to find this deploy button. So you need to press on it. If you see this is grayed out, you probably need to wake up your agent. If you've made it a while ago, you need to wake up your agent and then you'll be able to deploy this web app. Now on the right hand side, you're going to see the start new deployment. It says ready to go live. Hit start deployment to launch your app. Each new deployment costs 50 credits per month. So their starter plan, I think we get 50 credits for a small amount. So this would take up almost all your credits. So you just need to click on the start deployment here, and active deployment costs $50 credits per month. So it's going to cost you 50 credits per month. So the next month it is again going to charge you 50 credits if you want to keep this app deployed. Right. So let's click on deploy now. The deployment has started. All right. So it's currently at the deploying stage. It took approximately around 6 minutes till now. And the most amount of time that it took was for building it. This build part, the first part, took almost like 4 minutes in order to build it. And then these were like 2 minutes. And it's currently on the deploying stage. All right, our app is live on this subdomain. We can link a custom domain. So I'm going to show you how to connect a custom domain to Emergent AI. Also, different domain providers like Porkbun, GoDaddy, Namecheap, etc. So you can see them on the right hand side in the playlist. You can redeploy or shut it down. Now, one thing about the shutdown feature is that you can get your credits back. So once you've deployed it, you spent 50 credits. Now, if I click on the shutdown over here, it's going to give us this pop-up which says, so your deployment is live for 1 day since last charge. So it says 48 credits can be refunded instantly. I can click on it and it gives us the information. So credits charged on 14th February, utilized since last charge 1 day, 2 credits per day. It's not even 1 day yet, but they did took 2 credits for 1 day. Now I can just click on this confirm shutdown. This app will be undeployed and I'll get the 48 credits back. There's also this over here on the right hand side. You can fix with agent. You can do a pre-deployment health check. And these are the resources that it's currently deployed to. So they provide you with a VPS, I think it's a web hosting. And you get this 0.05 virtual CPU with 200 MB RAM and you can upgrade it from here. This is the current allocation. The database, you can access the database from here and you can link a custom domain from this side. Once you've deployed it, go over to home and scroll down. You'll see this under deployed apps. You're going to find your deployed apps over here. You can visit it. So I can click over on visit and it's going to take me over here. I can log in with Google and search. If you also want to learn how to use Emergent AI and add your login page like this, I can continue with Google and it's going to sign me into the app that I've created with Emergent AI. If you want to learn how to make all this, I've made a video as well. It's going to be available at the end on the right hand side. And yeah, that's it. That's how to deploy app on Emergent AI. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. For more videos on Emergent AI, check out the playlist that's going to appear on the right or left somewhere. See you there. Bye for now.